In there.
She just put trash up in there. Now these motherfuckers out here tearing up the neighborhood. Look, she gonna go back up in there. Now trash. We didn't let her. We threw it in the garbage. Now we know who really tearing up the town. Why they always trying to point the finger. Quit littering. Clean up. Recycle, reuse, reduce my ass. You got real life truth right here of birds tearing up the fucking neighborhood.
No, get your ass back in there. The fuck?
I don't even know why you over here. Are you hiding now that I ain't got your ass on camera? Yeah. Can the camera, nigga. You going to jail.
Bird jail. He finna hit the cage.
It's gonna be the jailhouse ride.
He finna hit the cage.
Look at him run away. He got something he like. Look, he's shaking around
That's
and shit.
Doritos.
Damn near like a pit bull. You got some chips? Look at him. He hungry. No, it ain't nothing alive. It's just paper, baby. You gonna throw it back in the garbage? Let me see. Hey.
He finna tear the bag open? No, I'm just
He's pissed.
here.
He's pissed. Look at him. He said, I can't take this shit.
Look
No, you motherfucker.
away.
Yeah. He's pissed.
He's still walking with it, too.
Is he leaning with it, rocking with it? Because he...